Welcome to English for Gamers. Today, we're covering 100 essential Valorant terms that every player needs to know. Whether you're climbing ranked, playing on international servers, or watching pro tournaments, these terms will help you communicate better and understand the game. Let's jump right in. Section 1, Basic Game Terms. Let's start with the fundamentals. Number 1, Ace. When one player kills all 5 enemies in a round. Example, I got an ace that round. Number 2, Clutch. Winning a round when you're the last player alive. Example, nice clutch, you saved the round. Number 3, Eco, short for economy round. Saving money instead of buying weapons. Example, we're on Eco this round. Number 4, Force Buy. Buying weapons when you don't have much money. Example, let's force buy and try to win. Number 5, Full Buy. Buying the best weapons and full armor. Example, we have full buy next round. Number 6, Save. Keeping your weapons and not fighting to save them for next round. Example, it's 1 versus 4. Just save your gun. Number 7, Thrifty. Winning an eco round against enemies with better guns. Example, we won the Thrifty. Great job. Number 8, Anti-Eco. Buying weapons to counter enemies who are on eco. Example, they're on eco, so we anti-eco. Number 9, Frag. A kill. Example, I got 3 frags that round. Number 10, Entry Frag. The first kill in a round. Example, good entry frag, now we can push. Number 11, Trade. Killing the enemy who just killed your teammate. Example, I traded him, we're still okay. Number 12, Lurk. Going alone to a different area while your team attacks. Example, I'm lurking behind them. Number 13, Rotate. Moving from one site to another. Example, they're attacking B, rotate now. Number 14, Retake. Taking back a site after enemies planted the spike. Example, get ready to retake a site. Number 15, Plant. Placing the spike on a site. Example, I'm planting spike on B. Number 16, Defuse. Disarming the spike. Example, cover me, I'm defusing. Number 17, Spike. The bomb that attackers must plant. Example, who is Spike? Number 18, Round. One complete game phase that ends when spike explodes is defused, or all players die. Example, we won that round easily. Number 19, Half. The first 12 rounds of a match. Example, we're winning 7-5 at half. Number 20, Overtime. Extra rounds when the score is 12-12. Example, the match is going to overtime. Section 2, Agent Roles. Understanding each type of agent. Number 21, Duelist. Agents designed to get kills and entry frag. Example, we need a duelist to push first. Number 22, Controller. Agents who use smokes to block enemy vision. Example, controllers smoke off site entrances. Number 23, Sentinel. Agents who defend and hold sites. Example, Sentinels should stay on site. Number 24, Initiator. Agents who gather information and help the team push. Example, Initiators use your utility first. Number 25, Entry. The first player to push into a site. Usually a duelist. Example, Jet, you entry and we follow. Number 26, Support. Players who help teammates with abilities. Example, Sage is a support agent. Number 27, Anchor. A player who stays alone to defend a site. Example, I'm anchoring B site. Number 28, Operator, short for AWP or sniper rifle user. Also refers to the gun. Example, their operator is very strong. Number 29, Chamber. An agent name, but also means the sniper player. Example, watch out for Chamber with operator. Number 30, Jet, a popular duelist agent. Example, can you play Jet this match? Number 31, Sage. A Sentinel agent who can heal and revive. Example, Sage, can you heal me? Number 32, Sova. An Initiator agent with recon abilities. Example, Sova, drone to check site. Number 33, Brimstone. A controller agent with smokes and molly. Example, Brimstone, smoke heaven please. Number 34, Omen. A controller agent who can teleport. Example, Omen is teleporting behind us. Number 35, Raze, a duelist agent with explosive abilities. Example, watch out for Raze's rocket. Section 3, map callouts, important locations on maps. Number 36, site, the areas where spike can be planted, A site and B site. Example, they're rushing A site. Number 37, mid, the middle area of the map connecting both sites. Example, let's control mid first. Number 38, spawn, where players start each round. Example, I'm still in spawn, wait for me. Number 39, heaven, an elevated position above a site. Example, enemy on heaven, be careful. Number 40, hell, a lower position, usually under heaven. Example, checking hell, it's clear. Number 41, cubby, a small hiding spot. Example, check all cubbies before planting. Number 42, box, large boxes used for cover. Example, I'm behind box on A site. Number 43, corner, any corner where enemies might hide. Example, clear every corner carefully. Number 44, long, a long corridor pathway. Example, 3 enemies coming long A. Number 45, short, a shorter pathway to a site. Example, I'm pushing short to B. Number 46, main, the main entrance to a site. Example, they're coming through main. Number 47, ramp, an angled slope on the map. Example, watching ramp to A. Number 48, stairs, stairways connecting different levels. Example, enemy on stairs. Number 49, window, areas with window-like openings. Example, smoke window before we push. Number 50, tube, a tunnel or tube-shaped area. Example, pushing through tube to mid. Number 51, garage, a specific callout on split and other maps. Example, clear garage first. Number 52, hookah, a callout on bind map. Example, 2 enemies hookah. Number 53, elbow, a bent corridor area. Example, watching elbow to B. Number 54, market, a specific area on ascent. Example, lurking in market. Number 55, showers, a callout on bind. Example, pushing showers to A. Section 4, weapons and equipment, guns and gear you need to know. Number 56, Vandal, an assault rifle that kills in one headshot at any range. Example, I'm buying Vandal this round. Number 57, Phantom, an assault rifle with silencer. Example, Phantom or Vandal? I prefer Phantom. Number 58, Operator, the sniper rifle, very expensive but powerful. Example, save money for Operator next round. Number 59, Sheriff, a pistol that can one-shot headshot with armor. Example, eco round with Sheriff only. Number 60, Ghost, a silenced pistol. Example, Ghost is good for sneaking. Number 61, Classic, the default free pistol everyone starts with. Example, just using Classic this round. Number 62, Spectre, a submachine gun. Example, buying Spectre for close range fights. Number 63, Marshall, a cheaper sniper rifle. Example, I'm good with Marshall on eco. Number 64, Odin, a heavy machine gun. Example, they're spamming with Odin through the wall. Number 65, Judge, a shotgun. Example, Judge is strong in tight spaces. Number 66, light armor, 25 armor points. Example, buying light armor to save credits. Number 67, heavy armor, 50 armor points. Full protection. Example, always buy heavy armor on full buy. Number 68, util, short for utility, refers to agent abilities. Example, use your util before pushing. Number 69, Ollie, a Molotov or fire grenade that damages over time. Example, molly to delay the push. Number 70, nade, short for grenade. Example, throw a nade to clear that corner. Section 5. Communication and tactics. Number 71. Push. To move forward aggressively. Example, let's push a site together. Number 72. Hold. To defend a position. Example, hold this angle and don't peek. Number 73. Peek. To look around a corner quickly. Example, don't wide peek, they have operator. Number 74. Wide peek. Peeking far from the corner, exposing yourself. Example, he wide peeked and got shot instantly. Number 75. Jiggle peek. Quickly peeking and going back to cover. Example, jiggle, peek to bait out their shot. Number 76. Swing. To peek aggressively around a corner. Example, let's swing together and trade. Number 77. Flash. An ability that blinds enemies. Example, flashing in, turn away. Number 78. Smoke. An ability that blocks vision. Example, smoke this angle so we can cross. Number 79. Wall. A solid barrier ability. Example, Sage, wall off this entrance. Number 80. Stack. When multiple players defend the same site. Example, they might be stacking a site. Number 81. Split. When the team attacks from two different directions. Example, let's split A, 3 main and 2 short. Number 82. Default. Standard spread positions at round start. Example, play default until we get info. Number 83. Execute. A planned coordinated push with utility. Example, execute a site on my call. Number 84. Fake. Pretending to attack one site but going to another. Example, fake B and rotate to A. Number 85. Bait. Using yourself or a teammate to draw out enemies. Example, I'll bait and you trade the kill. Number 86. Contact. Seeing or hearing an enemy. Example, contact mid, 2 players. Number 87. Clear. An area with no enemies. Example, long is clear, we can push. Number 88. 1 HP. An enemy with very low health. Example, enemy on site is 1 HP, easy kill. Number 89. Lit. An enemy that was damaged significantly. Example, he's lit for 140, almost dead. Number 90. Dead. Eliminated from the round. Example, I'm dead. Good luck, team. Section 6. Advanced terms for experienced players. Number 91. Crosshair placement. Where you aim while moving. Example, work on your crosshair placement at head level. Number 92. Pre-fire. Shooting before seeing the enemy at common spots. Example, pre-fire that cubby, they always hide there. Number 93. Wallbang. Shooting through walls. Example, you can wallbang that box with Vandal. Number 94. Spray. Holding down the trigger and spraying bullets. Example, don't spray, tap fire for accuracy. Number 95. Tap. Firing single shots. Example, tap fire at long range. Number 96. Burst. Firing 2 to 3 shots at a time. Example, use burst fire for medium range. Number 97. Flick. Quickly moving your crosshair to an enemy and shooting. Example, that was an insane flick shot. Number 98. Strafe. Moving left and right while shooting. Example, strafe while tapping to avoid getting hit. Number 99. Eco frag. Getting kills while on an eco round. Example, nice eco frag with Sheriff. Number 100. Diff. Short for difference. Saying one player is much better. Example, jet diff. Means their jet player is way better than ours. And that's all 100 Valorant terms. Now you can communicate with your team in English and understand callouts from international players. Which term was new to you? Drop a comment below. If this video helped you, hit the subscribe button for more gaming English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck in ranked.